Right, fire tower adventure. It's not an adventure without a hint of danger.
That's right.
Going up.
Are you videoing it all the way up? He's gonna fall if the selfie's sticking in.
Baden Powell would say, life without adventure would be deadly dull. One of my other new favorite sayings is, if you go looking for adventure, don't be disappointed when you find it. Hip flexors don't fail me now. We're making this video for Mr. McKinney. How did a blanket get in the tree? There's a blanket in the tree.
Where? Oh, oh.
Shh, I'm on video.
Oh my goodness.
Be professional. I hope the battery's not dying.
Are you videoing the way down here?
I don't know. I hope I'm videoing it on the way up. Worth the trip from anywhere.
Yeah.
Clay, I'm going down. That's Sam directly in front of me, being slow and steady.
My legs.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Sam, get the blanket out of the tree.
Sam, get the blanket out of the tree.
Okay.
I bet somebody was mad about that.
Hey, it looks like a halfway decent. You can probably take it down with like a rope. Oh, then why would they be mad about that?
Found a Pokemon.
Down is a whole lot easier.
We're gonna make your mom watch this video.
She's gonna get dizzy.
Well, no, I meant Sam's mom, but we can make your mom watch it too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Gotta watch it.
We're on video. There's the rest of our crew. They decided to eat lunch rather than doing the fire tower.
Not me. I was up there.
They're just laying.
We need a cheer, like 629. You! 629! No, not that cheer.
That would work.
Front utility pack accessory.
What else would it be?
Front utility pack accessory. Are you shaking this, Clay?
No. Do you want me to?
I feel like I'm climbing with Ashton.
Here, feel this way.
Stop it, dude. I'm old. I'm at the age where if I fall down, people don't laugh. Almost to the bottom. 3, 2, 1.